Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Bienvenido a mi cocina. Today I have a different recipe for you, and this recipe is a delicious recipe for macaroni and cheese. Hoy traigo una receta super rico y bien fácil. Codito con queso o macaroni con queso. Muy típico americano. For this recipe, we're using a half a pound of macaroni or 1 cup of macaroni. So that's half the box. We're also going to need 1 cup of milk, 1 stick of unsalted butter. The reason why I'm using unsalted butter is because the cheese is salty. And I'm also going to use some salt, and the black pepper, I use that toward the end when I'm serving. Y para esta receta necesitamos una taza de coditos, una taza de leche, 2 tazas de queso, una barra de mantequilla sin sal y sal y pimienta al gusto. So now I'm adding 8 cups of water to the pot, and I'm going to start this to boil, and then once it boils, then I'm going to add in the macaroni. And I'm adding a pinch of salt to it. Ahora agregamos 8 tazas de agua y una pizquita de sal. Okay, so now we're going to add in the macaroni, 1 cup of macaroni. Ahora agregamos una taza de coditos. And we're going to let this cook for 15 minutes, no more than that, because we're going to bake it in the oven. Vamos a cocinarlo por 15 minutos, nada más. And remember to stir the macaroni occasionally so that it doesn't stick to the pot. Recuerda revolver los coditos ocasionalmente para que no se pegue a la olla. I also like to add 1 teaspoon of oil so that the macaroni doesn't stick. Y también me gusta añadir un poquito de aceite, una cucharadita de aceite para que los coditos no se peguen. So it's been 15 minutes, and it's time for me to take the macaroni out of the pot because I don't want to overcook it. And I'm going to pour the macaroni into a tray and then bake it for a few minutes. Okay, nuestros coditos están listos. So next what we're going to do is make the cheese sauce for the macaroni. And the first step that I like to do is to mix my milk with the flour. Vamos a hacer la salsa de queso para los coditos. Lo que me gusta hacer es mezclar la leche con la harina como primer paso para hacer mi salsa de queso. Next, we're going to add 1 stick of butter to the pot, and then we're going to start making our cheese sauce. Vamos a derretir una barra de mantequilla en una sartén a fuego medio alto. So now we're adding 1 cup of milk to the butter, and then we're going to add in the cream sauce that we made with the flour in the milk. Ahora agregamos una taza de leche y siguiente la crema que hicimos. So we're going to stir this, and then next we're going to add in the cheese. Okay, vamos a revolver la leche y siguiente vamos a añadir un pizquita de sal. So we're going to cook this for about 5 minutes or until the milk starts to thicken into a cream sauce. Calentamos la leche por 5 minutos más o menos en medio bajo fuego hasta que se espesa. Okay, so our milk is thick enough now to add the cheese. So I'm adding in 1 cup of sharp cheddar cheese and 1 cup of mozzarella cheese. Vamos a agregar una taza de sharp cheddar cheese y una taza de queso de mozzarella. So at this point, you want to turn your flame down to low because you don't want to burn the cheese sauce. En este punto, tiene que bajar el fuego para que no se pegue la crema. Mira qué cremoso esto. Look at how delicious this cream sauce is. So now we're ready to add in our macaroni. Vamos a agregar los coditos a nuestra salsa de queso. So now we want to mix the cream sauce with the macaroni, and then we're going to pour the macaroni into a baking tray. And we're going to bake it for 10 minutes, no more than that. Vamos a mezclar nuestra rica salsa de queso con nuestros coditos. So we're going to bake this at 350 degrees for 10 minutes, no more than that. Vamos a hornearlo por 10 minutos, más o menos, a 350 grados. I don't cover my macaroni because I like to get a crunch on top. So I keep it uncovered. En este punto no lo cubro porque quiero estar un poquito de crujiente encima. Okay, here it is. Ahí está. Mira que rico. Look at how delicious this macaroni and cheese is. And it's a really simple recipe. I hope you guys try it. Well, it's time for me to go. Please subscribe to my channel and visit me on Facebook at Lolita's Cuban Kitchen. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Bueno, mis amores, es hora para yo irme. Suscríbete a mi canal y visitarme a Facebook at Lolita's Cuban Kitchen. Bye-bye.